just look at my forks, bruh.
Oh my God.
It's your boy Liz, AK Moto, bro. You already know. We got the boy Jimmy out here.
Baby.
We out here with the little 50s. He brought out his 50. I got my 50 right here. We got his camera lady. Say hello. And yeah, we're about to shred a skate park today, and it's gonna be a vibe, so let's get it. Yo, let's go. We off to the skate park, dog. Yeah, so the skate park's right over here. Oh, there's a lot of people.
I thought it was gonna be dead.
Bro, I thought it was dead too, because it's Christmas Eve.
Where do I put my feet? Right here? I don't know, figure it out.
You gotta go like this, or you, oh, that's perfect. Yeah. Yeah, this is funny. We got two people on a little pity right now. So if you guys don't know, Jimmy has his own channel too. I'll have it in the description. Oh, you're going that way, bro. Alright, we're off to the skate park, brother. Yo, so we made it to the skate park. Look at Jimmy right now. He's already getting it, dog. Let's go. Oh.
Wheelie in the pocket?
A little bit. How y'all doing?
Good, you?
Good.
I got a way to put you on the channel.
You got a channel?
Yeah, Skateboard Grandpa.
Bro, we all got channels.
Yeah. Wait, what is it called? Skateboard Grandpa.
Trying to teach Jimmy. Oh my! Your chain came off.
What the fuck?
We outside, bro. We all training. Look at everyone. That was fire.
Yeah, it's 360. I saw all behind me. You got to do it with it on and drive away. Bro. You had it perfect.
All right, let's freaking go. Woo! Let's go!
Oh my God. That was great.
Thank you. Holy crap, let's freaking go! Yo, we're in the bowl, dog.
How'd you drop into that thing, dude?
Sender! Yeah! Let's go! I'm right on his tail. Yeah! Let's go!
What? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he's not. What? He might mess around with a little bit. He does a lot of stunt riding and he's got like 7 bikes.
You want to try to ride one?
I tell you something. I used to repair them.
Yeah.
I'm an old Harley guy.
Harley.
So, yeah.
Let's go.
Let me see what you got.
GoPro. You want to say anything?
Which one you got?
7.
Oh, okay.
You want to say anything to the people?
Be careful out there with the crazy people, man.
Yeah, crazy people out there.
Freaking nuts.
They are nuts.
They don't screw with me because I got a big Suburban. So they're able to back off. You got one of these, I'm freaking right now.
Yeah, my boy got a big Suburban. Woo! Look at that, super, that bit clean. Yes, sir. Me and Jamie, we left the skate park, and now we're gonna rip some streets. Hopefully, see Danny Duncans Danny lives down here, or like his office is down here.
I got like no power.
Bro, mine's doing the same thing.
I can't even wheelie, like look.
Woo! We're vibing, dog. Wait, hey, is this the street?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot you live like this close. Bro, we literally mobbing, bro. Hey, how's the power? Damn. Hey, you got gas?
What?
You got gas?
Yeah, I filled it up. Right before I came.
That's weird. You almost ran into Danny Duncans building. So yeah, we're at the Danny Duncan place. As you can see, I came here once before and I tried to buy a shirt, but they ran out or some shit, or sort of forget what happened. Ooh, yes sir! The boy Jimmy's back. Yo, so I just jumped that ramp. Look at my forks, bruh.
What?
Just look at my forks, bruh.
Oh my god.
Bro, that was from jumping that thing.
Bro.
Crazy, right?
What the fuck?
Holy shit, dog.
You're not...
Yeah, so this just happened. I got freaking straight Harley forks now, bro. Chopper style.
Harley.
Yeah, I got Harley forks.
Oh, wow.
That is crazy, dog.
Oh, dude, feel them.
It's about to pop out, right?
Yeah, that's not... Oh, that's scary. Do you want to even drive it home?
No, I'm gonna... Yo, that is so goddamn scary, dog. Hey, how far is it down here?
We're almost there.
We almost there? Bro, what? I hope he knows the owners. It's like, bro, we're just going to this random property. Jimmy don't even know who the freaking people are. He's like, yeah, we just shred here, dude. They don't care. They never say anything.